travel is more than just about getting from A to B. It's about gaining new perspectives, embracing fresh opportunities, and experiencing memorable moments. With a population of 1 billion, China has found the most efficient way of bringing its people closer together. It's called the high-speed rail. China today leads the high-speed rail revolution by constantly finding new ways to redefine the experience, exactly what they're doing with their latest trains.
通过复兴号的研发，能够彻底去解决这些既有的平台动车运用的一些问题。
未来高铁的竞争就是舒适性的竞争。
中国的高铁是大体上应该说是超过了2万公里，超过了地球赤道的1半以上。
China has built more than 3,200 high-speed trains and over 35,000 kilometers of rail tracks. This has been made possible by a potent combination of steely determination and human ingenuity. But the high-speed rail builders of China are now facing their biggest challenge ever. Another man-made structure, one that's over 2,000 years old. The Great Wall of China. Over 20,000 tourists visit this ancient marvel each day. But unknown to many, beneath it sits a modern-day wonder. A 100 meters beneath the surface, the Badaling station is on the Beijing-Zhangjiakou line. Though just 174 kilometers long, this line travels over mountains, through tunnels underground, and across rivers. When completed, the Badaling station will span 39,800 square meters. That's the combined area of 5 football pitches, all of it underground. This makes the Badaling station the deepest high-speed rail station in China yet. It's also a smart station, utilizing cutting-edge technology to keep trains and commuters moving with clockwork efficiency and safety, and all completed in time for this international sporting event.
The International Olympic Committee has the honor to announce the host city of the Olympic Winter Games 2022. Beijing.
To efficiently facilitate the movement of athletes, officials and visitors during the 2022 Winter Olympics, the Beijing-Zhangjiakou line will reduce travel time between 3 main game zones to under 50 minutes. The key to this efficiency is speed.
我感觉2022年北京冬奥会对于我们来说非常期待，非常的骄傲，而且非常的自豪，这6个字的形容吧。在你的家门口比赛，那肯定非常自豪。咱怎么说叫天时地利人和嘛。现在有高铁之后，对于我们运动员来说是非常节省时间。 这样休息更充分，有的可能坐飞机可能是1-2个小时，但是坐高铁也是你知道1-2个小时、2-3个小时，这样是我们会选择高铁。
Beyond the Olympics, the Beijing-Zhangjiakou line will bring greater and faster connectivity to the regions northwest of Beijing.
京张高铁它既是2022年冬奥会的保障线，它也是促进经济一体化发展的服务线，还是传承京张铁路100年历史的文化线。我们的这个新建京张高铁是从北京北站到张家口南站，全长约174公里，应该是从2016年的上半年开始全面开工，应该是在冬奥会之前竣工通车。
With an immovable barrier just above and working on a tight schedule, engineers must find a way to preserve this historic monument while constructing a modern marvel beneath it. To keep the Great Wall of China from collapsing, engineers use two tunneling methods, microblasting and sectional excavation. Microblasting allows engineers to confine damage to a localized diameter, so impact of each blast can be controlled.
4、3、2、1，起爆！
It is a time-consuming process that requires debris to be removed after each blast. A second method, sectional excavation, is also used. Each tunnel is divided into segments, and each segment is dug with great caution to prevent erosion. After tunneling is completed in one section, reinforcement reels are secured to the soil before digging for the next segment commences. To dramatically reduce the amount of time needed for tunneling through mountains, high-speed rail builders go old school with a tried and tested shaft construction method. The shaft construction method requires the drilling of vertical shafts at 2 points set a distance apart on the face of the mountain. At the bottom of each shaft, tunnelers begin work in different directions. This process is done with great precision, so the individually excavated tunnels line up. This method was successfully used in the 1900s when a railroad was built through the mountains surrounding the Great Wall. The massive Badaling Tunnel project runs 24/7 in 8-hour shifts. To keep on schedule, it employs over 1,000 workers. Many of these workers have relocated from faraway hometowns to be closer to this site, and some have even brought their families with them.
在铁路上，儿子、媳妇在我身边，天天下班回来我看得到，在一起生活，开开心心的。
因为我母亲在家身体不好，胃不好，脚不好，这是我老婆，她说把母亲带着一起生活，有个照应，加上我们修这个高铁1年时间，1年只有1次探亲假是吧？才回家看1次。 岁数，母亲都75岁了，她一个在一起啊，我上班，妈也看得到儿子，儿子也看得到母亲。
Those working on this project look upon it with pride. They see themselves as part of a history-making endeavor, an opportunity to contribute to the country's reputation and future. They're focused on a common goal: the successful completion of a modern-day marvel of engineering and technology, and the making of yet another universally recognized icon, running across the expanse of the Chinese landscape. Railway tracks and tunnels need trains, lots of trains. Mega factories in Changchun and Qingdao produce thousands of these each year for domestic and international markets. The latest version of the high-speed train being built is called the Fuxinghao. The Fuxinghao is 209 meters long and has capacity for 556 passengers with a choice of business, first and second-class seating. As the Chinese landscape flashes by, inside, passengers are cocooned in a roomy cabin with comfy seats, power outlets, and yes, the all-important free Wi-Fi. A luxurious ride they can enjoy in relative quiet.
启动复兴号的研发呢，主要是基于几方面的考虑嘛。一个是要实现那个动车组技术的自主化，因为国家从04年开始，引进、消化、吸收，然后从国外引进了不同平台的动车组，不是我们自己的企业自主研发的，这样呢，在运用过程中呢，就会受到一些约束。
In 2005, high-speed rail engineers set off on a mission to build a high-speed train that's 100% made in China. One of the key people involved in this project is engineer Deng.
我接到复兴号动车组让我当实习生的时候，当时我的压力很大的。其实第一个，我们想把车干好，就是我们要真正的做一个属于我们公司品牌的动车组。
所以我们想通过复兴号的研发，去把我们的运用的一些经验，指导我们的设计，能够彻底去解决这些既有的平台动车组运用的一些问题，能够更加好的适合中国的运用的环境。
The latest Fuxinghao is more comfortable, more efficient, and faster than previous high-speed trains. In fact, this is one of the fastest high-speed train in the world. The Sifang factory in Qingdao. This is one of 3 mega factories in China that build high-speed trains. This factory alone employs nearly 12,000 people, and this is where the latest model of high-speed train, the Fuxinghao, is built. Over 900 Fuxinghaos have been built to date. And with each new iteration, cutting-edge technology is used to make improvements to its design.
"其实我们这个复兴的亮点主要体现了几个，从我们车辆就性能来讲，更加智能。就是我们现在就是设计传感器了2500个点，这设计安全的地方都有传感器。
Some 2,500 smart sensors placed along the length of each train monitor train operations, ambient temperatures, and braking systems to ensure passenger safety. Compared to its predecessor, the Hexie, the Fuxinghao's improved head design has made it more aerodynamic. The resulting 12% reduction in air resistance translates to 17% less energy consumed per 100 kilometers. And this means lower operating costs.
就是现在呢，就是大家全球都来讲是路线环保，我们这个复兴的更加那个节能。
It isn't only these China-made high-speed trains that run efficiently. Even the process of designing these trains, from outer shell to interiors, is a model of cost-time efficiency. All thanks to technology that makes the imagined seem very real. This is the Sifang factory's cave system, a virtual reality room that helps greatly compress the design process, for engineers to pick only the best solutions for the next phase of testing.
We usually design 20 new design models, and then we will find 10 of the best aerodynamic performance to take the wind tunnel test and also the practical line test. And then we will choose the best proposal with the best aerodynamic performance.
Used since 2010, virtual reality technology has made spending valuable man-hours painstakingly creating true-to-scale models obsolete.
In the past, we have to build a concrete model to feel the color and the dimension of the train. It will cost us a lot of money and time. The digital model in this cave system are usually be built by full scale, 1-to-1 ratio.
The cave system allows designers to spatially and aesthetically experience the designs and explore options quickly with a few computer keystrokes. But the ultimate test of a train's rideworthiness is real-life experience. To commuters, the hard work that goes on behind the scenes before these trains begin operating is transparent. All that matters is a smooth, safe, speedy, and comfortable ride.
随着我们人文水平的提高啊，至少在中国反映出我们的出行是，首先选择的是高速列车，是因为高速列车可以提供快速和安全、便捷的到达我们的目的地。那么这其中还有非常重要的一个要素呢，就是舒适性与否。